Let's dive right into this explainer. Therapist Figs O'Sullivan says relationship insecurity isn't your personality, it's just biology. So if you've asked, are we okay, for the third time today, you definitely need to hear this. First off, let's bust a massive myth. Insecurity isn't some character flaw. It's literally an ancient biological alarm. See, your brain's amygdala constantly scans relationships, frantically asking these two primal survival based questions. If the answer feels like a no, boom, the house catches fire, your rational mind just completely goes offline. To fight that terrifying fear of slow emotional abandonment, your nervous system basically turns into this obsessive detective. You know, your brain builds a wild murder board, connecting a late text with a distracted look at dinner. That panic storyline makes you beg for reassurance, which ironically just pushes your partner so much further away. Listen, you can't perfectly prevent triggers. The real goal is seeing how quickly you can come back to yourself. Notice a tight chest or dropping stomach. Spotting those physical alarms creates a crucial gap before the desperate behavior. That pause builds individual sovereignty. It's a superpower to stay completely grounded even when your partner feels kind of distant. Okay, the ultimate tool is this 75-25 split. Keep 75% of your awareness locked right on your own body. If you obsessively monitor their every micro expression, you're literally abandoning yourself and losing your body safety barometer. Begging for reassurance, that's just a temporary band-aid. True security is built inside you by sitting with that discomfort. Sovereignty is totally retroactive. You'll definitely mess up, but catching yourself afterward, that absolutely counts as massive progress. Security takes time to rewire your nervous system. Try practicing these quick physical boundaries morning, noon, and night. For a permanent fix, you need three things: a self regulating body, deep self trust, and an understanding partner. Ultimately, doing this cuts through the noise. It helps you tell an imagined threat from a genuine red flag. So, next time that familiar insecurity flares up, ask yourself, are you finally ready to build your own safe? If you want to work on this for real, try Figlet, my AI relationship coaching app. You can start for free, no credit card needed, at figlet.empathy.com.